Welcome back to this episode. Yes, in the previous episodes, I taught you how to pronounce two nasal sounds. And I said that in the third episode, I'll be teaching you how to pronounce the third nasal sounds. When you pronounce you feel something here. Are you feeling it? Yes. So let's write the sound. For this sound, it can occur with words that have NK at the end. It can also occur with words that have NG at the end. Let's go. Let's write examples on the board. So, like this. So this is what the sound looks like. And I said that for this sound, it can occur with words that have NK at the end. It can also occur with words that have NG at the end. So let's write examples of this sound also. So we have bank, not bank, bank, NK. King, king. Bring, sing, wind, jungle, see, NG, jungle. So bank, king, bring, sing, wing. We also have pink. So NK, words with NK, words with NG, words with not. Sorry, so words with NG, we have sing, wing, jungle, sang. So these are some examples of this sound. Bank, king, bring, sing, wing, jungle. Also drink. Also has this sound. So what it means is that for this sound, we have words with NK at the end and words with NG. So let's pronounce the words again. Bank, king, bring, sing, wing, jungle, pink, sang, drink. Yes, these are some examples of this sound. There are more examples, but these are just few or some examples of this sound. It is not a difficult sound at all. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.
Introducing New Frontier English and Mathematics for Junior Secondary Schools GSS1 to GSS3. Expertly designed to simplify learning, strengthen skills, and spark academic success. And we are not stopping at textbooks. We now offer free audiovisual resources on our YouTube channel and mobile app, giving teachers extra support and helping learners grasp every topic with ease. Anytime, anywhere. Our primary 1 to 6 English and Mathematics series has been reloaded, reviewed, and reprinted, now with richer content, stronger binding, and more vibrant visuals to keep young minds engaged. We've got the full package for your school: verbal and quantitative reasoning, writing series, nursery books, cultural and creative arts, and captivating storybooks for nursery, primary, and secondary levels. Schools nationwide trust mighty Demolex Demolex to deliver quality that lasts in content, printing, and performance. You can now order online or connect with our closest distributors nationwide. Visit www.mightydemolexpublishers.com or call 0913 504 8138 or 0803 439 4972 today. Early birds get free access to our e-learning tools.